Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the BlackShark V2 X and removing any cables. This prevents shorts and keeps parts tidy. Once done, flip the headset so ear cups face up and remove the foam pads by gently pulling at the seam. They snap off. Then use a small Phillips to remove 3 visible screws behind each pad. Make sure to store each screw separately. This first set of actions exposes the outer shell and readies you for accessing internal components safely and efficiently. Once the screws are out, you pry open the plastic shell starting at a corner. Use steady pressure and alternate sides to avoid cracking the clips. Make sure to lift slowly. There are ribbon cables and tiny connectors under the cover. When you see ribbon connectors, flip the retaining clip up and slide cables free. This prevents tearing. Next, unscrew and remove the speaker drivers, observing polarity and wire routing so you can reconnect them exactly as they were. To finish, reverse the process. Place drivers back in their housings with correct orientation, reseat ribbon cables into their clips, and close the shell while aligning all clips, then reinstall screws. Once done, reconnect a cable and test audio before snapping foam pads back on, so you can still access internals if needed. If you get no sound, power down, reopen the shell, and confirm connector seating and driver polarity. Loose ribbons are the most common issue and the simplest to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.